Hello, my name is Selin, and today I'm reading animals that live under the ground.
Oh, wow. Can you take us to?
I keep saying playing instead of reading.
Yeah, I wonder why. So what do you see in the content? What will you be reading? In the content said, you're gonna know rabbit, a frog, earthworms, a ground squirrel, and broccoli. Let's take it to first one. What is that? Can you show the
Homes
picture?
under the ground.
Okay, homes under the ground.
First let me read. There are lots of animals that live under the ground. Some animals hide in burrows to be safe from bigger animals. And this is the picture. This one. This is the picture. I think that's a baby. Some animals live in muddy holes to stay wet and keep cool. Some other animals live in tunnels under the ground all their lives. Rabbits live in places where there is a lot of grass to eat. They dig burrows near bushes, trees, or tall grass. They dig burrows in sandy places too. Rabbits hide from other animals in their burrows. The mother rabbit makes a nest for her babies in the burrow. She puts some straw or grass in the nest. She puts some of her fur in the nest too. The straw and fur help to keep her babies warm.
Can you show the picture? Wow, so cozy.
Which one?
Maybe the biggest. It's hard to tell, isn't it? The small one.
Frogs. Some frogs live under the ground when it is very hot and dry. They can live there for years and years. These frogs dig down in the mud to stay wet and keep cool. They only come out of their holes after it has rained for a long time.
Is it in the show? Oh, wow. Camouflage.
The frogs lay their eggs in a big puddle of water. The eggs soon turn into tadpoles because the water is so warm. Then the tadpoles turn into little frogs. The frogs have to dig holes in the mud again before the ground dries out.
Can you show? Oh, that's egg, isn't it? Lots of eggs.
Earthworms. Earthworms live under the ground. They make tunnels in the soil. Earthworms are long and thin. This helps them to move along the tunnels. Earthworms find food under the ground. They eat leaves and dead plants in the soil.
Wanna try? Whoa, good for the soil.
I need to go get the tissue.
Okay, can you finish this first? And then you can go, okay?
No,
And then you can go. We can't stop the video, Selin.
ground squirrels. Ground squirrels sleep in a burrow to stay warm in the winter. They put leaves and plants in the burrow to eat. Mother squirrels have their babies in the burrow too. Ground squirrels live in their burrow for a long time. They make them bigger and bigger each year. There are lots of other animals that live under the ground. I
Thank you,
finished the
Selin.
page. Now can I
Can you
finish
say
it?
goodbye and then we stop the video and you can go? Say
And
goodbye.
then can I wait?
Just
I
say
just need-
goodbye. I need to stop the video, Selin.
Just pause it.
No, it doesn't work like that. It's not
Okay,
playing.
Subscribe.